How's it going, guys? This is the first video inside the Skool Games trading community. I'm happy that you all joined, and I want to give you a little more detail about what we'll be doing. So the goal is to help everybody in here make money. So far, all you guys are in here for free. Eventually, it will be a paid community. You guys are in now, so you'll never have to pay. Yay! But a few people, once we start having start printing money, people after you will have to pay. So I think this is a great decision that you made. Before we actually start trading, I want to let you guys know I use the Thinkorswim platform, which is what you're seeing on my screen right now. You can use whatever you want to use, but Thinkorswim is what I use, or is known as Charles Schwab. You can use Robinhood, you can use any Webull, you can use any of those other things, but this is what I use. This is what I know how to use. This is what I'll be instructing and directing on. One more thing. Only trade with money that you can afford to use. We're not going to be right every day. I wish we could say we would, but we're not going to be right every day. We're going to aim to be right about 60 to 80%. Hopefully more, but I can't guarantee more. But if we're right 60%, we will still make money. If we're right 70%, we'll make even more money. And if we right 80%, we're going to make a ton of money. So don't put money that you can't afford to lose. And also, don't just blindly follow the trades that I tell you. Do your own research, look into them, study. Don't just blindly follow. This is a trading community, not like a guru mentorship. This is me sharing all the information I know, telling you what I'm going to do, putting my money where my mouth is. But do your own research. I don't want to be like, oh, you lost me all this money. Do your own research. Also, in a couple of seconds, I'm going to explain what we'll be trading and let you know. So the reason you can do this, you can trade these stocks I talk about on an iPhone, on a computer, on a desktop, on a laptop, on an iPad. I recommend something with a screen like an iPad, like with a large screen like an iPad or a desktop, because these stocks move very quickly. And there will be more and more information breaking down exactly what we're doing, what I'm looking at, and how we spot and find these things. But to start off, it's going to be just basic cookie cutter information, just the essentials. So first, let me pull this over. Where is that? Cool. There we go. We will be trading, or I'll be trading low float penny stocks. So these stocks are under $10. They have a float of less than 10 million shares, and they're trading on news. So I'll explain that to you really quickly. So this is one of the stocks I traded the other day. 1 second. I traded this on August 22nd. So this is about a month ago. So August 22nd, its ticker is, 1 second. AIR. Cool. So ticker AIRI, you'll see that right here. You can find this information on Yahoo Finance or wherever you get your stock statistics information. That's tough to say fast. I'm gonna try to make this video short. I'm trying to make all of them like under 10 minutes. I know you guys don't want to hear me talk forever. So first you type in the ticker ARII, right? So then you'll hit statistics, and then you'll come look at first. We want to trade stocks that's doing high volume. So anything more than you want it to be a lot bigger than this number, usually 5 times bigger than this number. So I think when I came and traded AIRI, it was trading over 3 million shares in the pre-market. So okay, check as volume. Second, excuse me, we want the float, which is right here, float. We want it to be less than 10 million, preferably under 7 million. If it's 10 million or more, I'm gonna take very small size. I might not even trade it at all. I do the best on stocks with 7 million or less, but sometimes you have strange runners. So we're looking for this number to be 7 million or less. And then let me see. I'm gonna give you another example, just what we're trading. So TNON. Cool. Here's another one. TNON. This is a ticker from Thursday. I think it was the the 12th, I'm guessing. Let me see, Thursday was I think it was the 12th. Let me see. Yep, Thursday the 12th. Okay, cool. So TNON, take it right here, go to statistics, scroll down, volume. Where's that? Here we go. This number is inflated because it was up for like the last 3 days. But you want it to be 10 times whatever this is. It's still, I mean, you want it to be 5 times whatever this is. So it's just it's 6 million. You want it to be doing about 30 million on the day. I think it did 80 million the first day and 60 million the second day. So it beat that number. And then right here, the float, 442,000. Cool. Is that less than 7 million? Yes. So it fits our criteria. And it has breaking news, aka a news catalyst. So that makes it very attractive to us. This is a stock we'll be looking into. So these are low float penny stocks, extremely volatile. They go up very fast. They also pull back really hard. So we need to get in, get a good entry, get our money, and get out. So I'm going to break this down. So this is AIRI, the first one I showed you. And I'm going to break down how we'll be trading it. Give me a second. Cool. So at about 8:30, between 8:30 and 8:45, I'll be letting you know which ones I'm looking at every day. So this is one of them, AIRI. So at 8:30, 8:45, somewhere between there, I would let you guys know, okay, I'm looking at this one. It'll probably be closer to 8:45. So next, we're going to identify where we want to get in at and what's the level. So this is the high of day. Boom. We don't want to buy it up here. Not a good idea. It pulls back down here. So this is the range from here to here. Boom. Okay, cool. This is VWAP, the volume weighted average price. I'll explain this in another video. This is probably the most important indicator that we have. But our trading goal is to buy these closer to the bottom. I guess that makes kind of common sense, right? But if you didn't know, our goal is to buy them down here closer to the bottom and then ride this wave all the way up to the top. We're not going to get the entire move. We're usually looking for a break of high a day. So let me see. I'm going to show you guys exactly where I got in at. Show trade. So on this one, I end up getting into this stock at 9 a.m. I bought 150 shares right here at a price of, you see it right here on my screen, $5.50. Now was my first one. I bought another 50 shares at $5.45. So that probably brought my average somewhere around $5.50, $5.48, I think. And then I sold at the top, well, not top, I sold up here around $6.26. So this is a positive trade. This is the stuff I'll be explaining, is the trades we're looking to take every day. I'll be telling you, give me 1 second. I'm gonna get rid of this off my screen now. That way, you know, I'm not just making this up. There's other trades like this too, but this is a pretty good example, and I can show you really quick. I already had it put up. So we'll be buying it closer to the bottom. I'll tell you what levels I'm looking at. So I got in right here, as you've seen, and then I rode the wave all the way up here. We're looking for high of days. So we're looking for it to break the previous high day. The previous high day was $6.76. We're looking for it to hit over $6.67. We're on a sale, take our money. If you want to hold longer, you can. I'll let you know if I think it's potential for it to go up more. But this is the first place I'm looking to start unloading my shares. I'll be buying more than 150 shares most likely, unless it doesn't fit my criteria exactly. Then I'll probably be staying somewhere between 150 and 200. But normally I'll be looking to buy 400 plus shares. Like I said, again, trade with what you feel comfortable with. You only want to buy 50 shares, 10 shares, 5 shares. It's all cool. It's all about learning and getting better and just being able to play the game every day, not trying to get rich overnight or hitting the first mega trade. Our goal is to get a few mega trades though. So that's it. I'm gonna make this video really short. I don't want to overwhelm anybody, but this is what we're looking to trade: low float penny stocks. We're gonna look at the range. We're gonna try to get in somewhere close to this. I'm gonna tell you where, but if you don't have time to look at charts or anything, try to get in somewhere close to VWAP, which is this pink line, and then look for the high day, and then you're out. But my goal is to make anywhere from 200 to 500 per day, and I think that's very attainable. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video, post it in the community room, and tomorrow's our first day of trading. Hope you guys are ready.